all the music lover, just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter things are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been piecing this alone for much too long. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me. But growing up, what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, cause you never read the sign. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, and all I ever do is bring you down. Oh, how could it be if we're standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I have to lose. Too much love will kill you, just as sure as not at all. Scream the power that in you, make you bleed and scream and scroll. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victims of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Yes. Pag sobra daw pag-ibig, nakakamatay. Love will kill you. I'll make you life alive. Yes, too much love will kill you, and you won't understand why. You gave your life, you sell your soul, but here it comes again.